Hi, my name is Nancy Knepke. I'm a product manager here at DEMDACO. Welcome to our January 2026 new product launch. We're thrilled to introduce our new collections designed to inspire customers and to create meaningful conversations. So we're introducing updates to two of our top-selling collections, Mrs. Claus and our Warm Heart Holiday Mugs. Together, they create holiday experiences full of joy and family fun. The Mrs. Claus Caring Collection sparks festive baking, family activities, and cherished memories, while the Warm Heart Holiday Mugs, with their hand-thrown feel, really brings cozy comfort to the Christmas morning. So we're launching with a total of 19 SKUs in the Mrs. Claus Collection, and you can find that on pages 63 through 75 in your holiday catalog. And then we have 4 new Warm Heart mugs that you can find on pages 59 through 61. So the Mrs. Claus Caring Collection was first introduced in 2025 with the #1 holiday SKU, the Mrs. Claus Cookie Recipe Book, selling over 5,600 copies. In 2026, we'll be building on that success with some exciting new formats. So the first one is this Craft Along with Mrs. Claus book, which is an adorable activity book featuring 16 crafts. Each project has a story. So let me find one for you here. Has a story about the craft, and then the supply list, and then step-by-step instructions on how to complete. And then at the very beginning, similar to the other cookies book, there's a to from. So as you're doing the crafts with whoever it might be, you can jot down who you're with and maybe a special memory, and this becomes a true keepsake. This is at a $7.50 wholesale, and it's available in assortment with a displayer. To go along with that item, we have our holiday activity book. This is perfect for keeping the kids busy and entertained at the holiday table. It features 4 fun activities with 9 sheets of each. This is at the great price point of $5.50 wholesale, and it's also offered in an assortment with a displayer. So for 2026, we will continue to offer that best-selling 12 Days of Cookies recipe book. But to expand on our cookie baking story, we have some fun new formats. So the first one here is the ceramic gingerbread cookie jar. I absolutely love this. Is a great statement piece at a $20 wholesale. And then we have this heart-shaped sharing plate. So the idea is you bake your cookies, you put them on, and then you share it with someone, and then they get to pass it on. The beauty of this item is it's great for holiday, but this is perfect for year-round. How adorable is this going right into Valentine's Day? And this is at a $9 wholesale. And then to round out our baking, we have this great half apron. This is in our ultra absorbent material, so you can see the fun print. Comes with a pocket on the front. Turn it around and it's reversible. And it also has all the benefits of the highly absorbent towels that we offer. And that is at an $8 wholesale. So additional items for easy add-ons and impulse purchases include a trinket dish program. And these little trinket dishes are designed to mimic gingerbread cookies. So there's a total of 4 designs. I'm just showing you the 2 here. The program comes with a total of 24 pieces and includes a displayer at an $84 wholesale, so that breaks out to $3.50 each. Great little stocking stuffer. And then another nice, great price point item is this gingerbread plush with bracelet program, featuring this adorable little plush with a candy cane inspired heart bracelet that is adjustable to fit both kids and adults. It comes with 12 plush gingerbread along with a displayer for $114, which breaks out to $9.50 each. For the Warm Heart Holiday Mugs, they're back, and we have 4 new festive designs. There's one for love, joyful, merry, and holiday wishes. The hand-painted details and printed bags absolutely make this my go-to gift. So I just want to walk you through some of these details here if you're not familiar. So this has an amazing handle. It has a hand-sculpted finish. It's hand-painted, and then there's a fun little message. And then it comes all wrapped up in this fabric gift bag. So I'll show you one here put together. So you can see how it's all put together. And then it has a hang tag on the front showing that it's a mug. And then on the back, it has a rendering of the design of the mug. So what I love about this item is you can give it as a gift to go, as is, or you can fill it with your favorite treat, and then you have this personalized gift that's ready to give. These are at a $9.50 wholesale, and they're available with an assortment and a displayer. So I want to thank you for your time. We are super excited for the Mrs. Claus and Warm Heart Mug collections together to delight your customers with interactive activities and create those special memories, to drive sales with proven best-selling items, and then, but most important, offer playful, heartfelt, and giftable moments that families will cherish year over year.
DEMDACO. Lift the spirit.